I am so excited. These savings challenges that I have been doing, I have 7 and they're almost complete. And today the one that I'm going to be doing is almost complete. And it is a very, very easy one. I think it's kind of one of the ones that I get the most views on, I believe, because it is working with small amounts of money. And it will help you if your situation, your financial situation is not the greatest. It will help you to save money for an emergency fund, and it will help you with this 52-week savings challenge. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. Yeah. And like I said, I have 7 savings challenges, and this is savings challenge number 7, which I do on Sundays. And this one is working with change. Now, we all have change at some time. You know, we go to the store, break a $5 bill, $10 bill, whatever. We have some change. When we get change, take that change and get a container and put it in a container. I started out with this container and it kept filling up. Then I started using this container and it kept filling up. So then I came across this one. And this one is almost filled. And at first, I was just taking small random amounts of change. I like it $1, $2, 50 cents, whatever, and was storing it in here. Because I was thinking, oh, I'm not going to just save $1,000 worth of change. But then I thought, when it was $170 in here, I thought, you know, I sat down and calculated how much more I needed to put in here every week to have $1,000. And it was like around $50 a week. And I've been doing that, and it is almost completed. It's almost $1,000 in here. Can you believe it? Y'all, this is so heavy. I literally had to take some money out of here and put it in here just to get this, pick this up and put on this desk. Oh, this is so heavy. And I'm thinking to myself, how in the world I'm going to get this to the coin store at the bank? I might have to put it in a little small container. I don't know. But anyway, that's another reason why I record and write this down, so I'll know how much is in here. And if the total is off, it may be off just a little bit. But one thing we have to do is be patient, consistent, and disciplined when we're saving money for an emergency fund. Now, this money is not to build wealth, but it is so to have money, so when emergency comes, something like this, you'll have money. Now, we don't want to just save $1,000 because that only covers emergency up to $1,000, but we want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses in case something like this happens. You can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance. You can buy food. If you have credit card payments, and that's included in your in your income, in your monthly expenses, you can still do that until your situation changes. Now, we're not going to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses in coins and change, but $1,000, you know, this is just to show you all you can still save. Yeah, I know sometimes you may be in this situation, and this situation. But like I said, we always have change. Like I keep change in my car. So like when I go to the car wash, this car wash that I used to go to those car washes where you can go in and wash the car down yourself. They have a bay. But they're tearing those down where I live. But anyway, I used to keep change in my car for that. You know, we found change on the ground, on the floor, in our sofas, in our clothes, or whatever. So this is showing you how you can still save and have money for an emergency. Yeah. You don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. No, you don't. And you don't want to have to run out and get one of these. One of these. One of these. And run up a bunch of these. This is this here. And that's not good. Okay? This is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Okay? All right. Now this is good because this can cause us to have passive income and become financially free by using other people's money. Yeah. Okay? All right. And another thing that will help, if you do whatever you can to start paying these off. You might have to increase your income to do this. Okay? And anyway, you need to have more than one stream of income. If this is your situation, you need to have multiple streams of income. Do whatever you can to increase this also. You don't want to just have this, and you don't want to have just one income because you never know what's going to happen to that income. We don't plan on things to happen. And another thing, live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Just like right now, people are Christmas shopping, buying like there's no tomorrow. Yes, they are. I mean, you know, do what you got to do what you want to do. But I've learned a very valuable lesson. Christmas is one day. If I don't have it, I don't have it. Okay? But anyway, but you know what I'm seeing? A lot of people are not just buying Christmas gifts. They're doing their regular shopping, buying things that they need. And I don't know why they wait till Christmas. I don't know. I guess you get better deals at Christmas. I don't know. So anyway, yeah, we want to also, if this is a place that you like to go to, you can go to the store and buy this coffee. You'll have more coffee and spend less money, and go to the store and buy food and meal prep. That will also help you to save money. Okay? Now, let's go ahead before we add our money in here. Let's go ahead and, before I read that. So you're going to need for this savings challenge is a container like this one. See how full this is? Oh my goodness. Like I said, it's heavy. And you're going to need some change. Now today we're only adding $10. We have one more Saturday left in this month, and I'm going to add the rest of it next Saturday. But today I'm just adding $10. And this is the roll quarters. Now this is to show you. You can add what you want. I have been doing $50 a week for a little bit. Then sometimes I may just add 2 rolls of quarters. But this can show you how you can save money for emergency. So let's go ahead and read our daily affirmations that we read every day. We're calling those things as being out as though they were, because death and life is in the power of our tongue. And we have what we say. Let me repeat that. We have what we say. If we say we're sick, then that's what we're going to have. If we say we're healed, that's what we're going to have. If we say we're broke, that's what we're going to have. If we say we're rich, that's what we're going to have. We have to believe it, receive it, and expect it. Visualize it. Get it in your mind. Okay? I decree and I declare money now coming to me. No, that's not it. I decree and I declare large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account balance is, and my savings account balance is, and speak what you want it to be. I decree and I declare all my bills are paid in full, all my needs are met. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack nor want. I decree and I declare I am now financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. Start visualizing. Start seeing it. Start just get it in your mind, because if you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our money to our money jar. All right, like I said, we're just only adding $10 today. All right, okay, 10. Now let's go ahead and record. I hope you all are getting ready for 2026, because we're going to keep doing these savings challenges in 2026. And I was going to try to eliminate one, but somebody asked me not to eliminate that one because they were doing that one and it helped them to think big. Yeah. And then somebody asked me, maybe I can make it, instead of $125 a week, make it $50 a week. So I'm thinking I may add another one. I may do one with the $125 a week and another one with the $50 a week. Okay? All right. I thought I was oh, you barely have time to do what you got, but I'm going to make it work. Okay? So today is Sunday, December 21st, and this is our money jar savings challenge. We added $10, and the total amount is $980, because last Sunday it was $970. Yeah. See, it's almost full. $30 more, and it'll be $1,000. Yeah. Oh boy, I gotta take this to the coin store at the bank that I bank at. This is, like I said, this is heavy. But what I may do is just break this down into smaller containers. Yeah, so I want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope something was helpful something helped you. Something was said that helped you. Yeah. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.